Tired of losing track of your content ideas in messy spreadsheets? Let me show you how to build a content calendar in Airtable that keeps everything organized. We will start by setting up your base, then add fields, enter ideas, and use views to manage your schedule. Here is the step-by-step. First, open Airtable in your browser. Just head over to airtable.com. Now sign into your account. If you do not have one yet, it is free to create one and it will take just a couple of minutes. Next, create a new base or choose a content calendar template. Airtable has a few templates built in that are already set up with common fields, which can save you a ton of time. But if you want to build it from scratch for full control, go ahead and click Add a Base and start blank. Either way works great. Then create a table specifically for your content plan. Give it a clear name like Content Ideas or Editorial Calendar. This is where all your pieces of content will live as individual records. Now add the essential fields like title, platform, status, and publish date. Click the plus sign at the top of the next empty column to add a field. For the title, use a single-line text field. For platform, you might want a single select field with options like YouTube, Instagram, blog, and so on. For status, another single select field with draft, in progress, scheduled, and published works really well. Then add a date field for publish date and a collaborator field for the owner or person responsible. And here is the really important part. You can also link tables together if you want to pull in things like your content pillars or topics from another table. That is where Airtable really shines. Start entering your content ideas as individual records. Each row is one piece of content. Fill in the title, pick the platform, set the status, and choose the owner. This is where your scattered ideas become a single, living list. Switch between grid, calendar, or Kanban views to organize content. At the bottom of your base, click Add View and choose Calendar to see everything laid out by publish date. Or choose Kanban to group ideas by status, so you can drag a card from draft straight to in progress. The grid view is your spreadsheet-style default. You can have all three views running off the same data so everyone sees what they need. Enhance records with attachments, notes, or links. Need to include a reference image, a rough draft link, or a brainstorm note? Just add an attachment field or a long text field to the table and drop it right in. No more digging through email threads. Now assign tasks to collaborators for accountability. If you are working with a team, the collaborator field we set up earlier lets you tag someone directly to a piece of content. They will get a notification, and you can see at a glance who is handling what. This is where the chaos really disappears. Apply filters and sorting to manage your schedule. Maybe you only want to see this month's YouTube videos. Just click the filter button and set it to platform equals YouTube, and publish date is within this month. Then sort by date to see what is coming up next. This takes your calendar from overwhelming to manageable in seconds. Regularly update status and progress for each piece. As you finish a draft, change the status to in progress. When it goes live, switch it to published. This keeps your calendar accurate and gives you a real sense of momentum. Finally, review and manage your entire content calendar. Take a minute each week to scan your calendar view, check for any overdue dates, and adjust deadlines. Airtable makes it easy to stay on top of things without the stress. And that is how you turn scattered content ideas into a streamlined visual calendar. Start with one base, add your fields, and let the views do the heavy lifting. You will wonder how you ever managed without it.